Hello there and welcome to Ninja Affiliate Hub. So on this channel, I teach and enlighten people on how to increase their income through affiliate marketing. So by the end of this video series, right, I want you to have an understanding of how to do affiliate marketing in these 3 steps. And the first step is finding a digital product to promote, and then how to create a marketing system that will be doing all the selling 24/7 around the product that we find. And then in the third step, I'm going to walk you through on how to get traffic through the marketing system, and I'll be using and sharing with you this free traffic source that I'm using to get traffic to this landing page. Now, if something that you want to continue learning more about, let's go ahead and jump to the next slide. Alright, so the first step is to sell digital products that are in high demand where I earn 100% commission. And in order to make money online, I have to sell something. It can be a product or a service, but there have to be something in exchange, something of value in exchange in order for me to earn any kind of money. And the different ways to make money online is dropship. Now, people are making money with dropship, but the only thing with that is you have to keep up with inventory, and then you have to do selling, shipping, and handling. And it's doable, but there's some factoring stuff that you have to factor in. And then the other way to make money is creating my own product. Now, there's nothing wrong with creating your own product, but at times, like for the first startup, is you have to spend time in product development and testing, and then setting up the websites and everything that's involved. Now, it's doable, but it's time consuming. And then the third way is to sell digital product. And these digital product, once you find one that is in high demand and you make 100% commission, it's all easy and gravy. So how can I make money with a digital product? The simple answer to that is learn the skills through educational material, and this is what have enabled me to increase my income. And it's basically learning and then executing on what I learn and then earn. Alright, let's jump on over to my virtual whiteboard and let me demonstrate more in detail about digital products. Alright, I'm over here on my virtual whiteboard, and I am still in step number 1, and that is basically finding a product to promote. Now, when I'm finding a product to promote, there are several things I have to keep in consideration. And the first thing is to make sure that it solves a problem that already exists in the marketplace. And my job as an affiliate marketer is to figure out what problem the customers are having, and then go to find a product that is in high demand that solve their problem, and then present it to them. And if it's something that they're interested in, they'll buy, and I earn a commission. And then the next thing, I want to make sure that it has a good comp plan, and that is making sure that at least I have about a 100% commission, because the time and energy that I spend into it, I want to make sure that the money adds up for the time that I've spent investing in it. Now, I can always go to places like clickbank.com, set up an account and find a product, but the thing with that is they only have product ranging from 30% to 70%. And as people who are making money with that, but why settle for 70% when I can earn 100%? And later on, I'm going to share with you this product that I'm using that's earning me 100% commission, and is the Legacy Builder. So this one, I can sell this for $900, and that is considered a high ticket product. And I'm going to show you an example with promoting a high ticket product. So let's say that at the end of the month, my income goal is $5,000. Better yet, let's say let's do something more realistic. Let's say 3,000. At the end of the month, I want to make $3,000. So my commission, figure out what my commission is for each sale that I make. So on the legacy builder, I'll be earning $900 commission. And then the next thing I want to figure out is how much sale I need to make in order to hit my income goal. And the equation for that is income goal divided by commission. So when I plug in a number, I get my income goal of 3,000 divided by my commission, which is 900. Let's do the calculation on that. So it's 3,000 divided by 900, and that gives me 3.3. So we're gonna round it up to 4. So all I need is to focus on is 4 sales. And once I hit my 4 sales at $900 per sale, then I will hit my income goal of 3,000. So that is the benefits of promoting a high ticket product, right? I don't have to focus on selling a lot. I just need to focus on, as you see with this one, the $900. I just need 4 sales per month, which is probably about one sale a week. And by the end of the month, if I'm able to do 1 sale a week, I'll hit my income goal in 30 days of the $3,000. So hopefully this is making sense, right? So income goal of 3,000, and my commission, all I need is 4 sales, and I'll hit my income goal of $3,000. So hopefully that makes sense. Now let's jump to step number 2, setting up a automated marketing system that will be doing all the promoting, selling this $900 product. So let's jump on to step number 2. All right. So as I shared with you on the previous screen, how to find a digital product. So the product I said that I was promoting is called Digital Growth Community, and it is a high ticket product, and it teaches me how to set up my own online business, and it has the done for you system, and it teaches me how to get traffic strategy, and this is the one that gives me the resale right to sell it back for at 100% commission. You might be asking, right, how is the company able to make any money if I am earning 100% commission? Well, after I purchase the program, right, I pay a one-time $39 website fee, and this is how I get the done-for-you marketing system, which I'm about to show you next, how to set that up, and that is how they make their money. All right, now let's jump on over to step number 2, how to set up the marketing system that will be promoting this product. So step 2 is setting up an automated system I call daily pay system. So I set it up once, and it does all the work of selling the product, and this system works for me 24/7 non-stop. And what it consists of is basically 3 pages. It's the landing page, the sales page, and the thank you page. All right, and with the legacy builder that I am promoting, it has all these 3 pages already set up. All right, all I have to do is set up my platform. So I'm going to share with you the platform that I'm using to build this out here in a minute. And all I have to do is once I invest into the product, the done for you system, I get the share code and I download it into the platform, and then that is how I get the landing page, the sale page, and the thank you page already pre-built, done for me, uploaded into my account. So the software platform that I'm using to build this automated system is called System.io. And let me jump on over there and show you exactly what it looks like. So System.io, right? There's a free version that I use, and as I said, once you get the done for you marketing system, I just copy the share the share page and upload it into my system IO, and I have the landing page, the sale page, and the thank you page already pre-built set up. Now all I have to do is just plug in my information, and then the system is up and running. So that's basically, the setting up of step number 2. The daily pay system is the landing page, the sale page, and the thank you page. And this is, as I say, this is what they look like. This is what the landing page look like, the sales page, the thank you page. And once I buy into the product, right, I have access to these pre-made, done for me pages, and then all I have to do is just copy the link and paste it into my system account, and is automatically downloaded into my account. And then I just go through and I just there are steps that I do to customize it to with my information. So you have the landing page, the sales page, and the thank you page, and there are instructional videos on exactly how to set these up. As I said, that is the pre-built, done for you system, and is what you get when you pay the extra $39, and all I do is set it up via the instructional video, and it's up and running. Now this is how I am able to create the automated daily pay system, and where I set it up once and it works 24/7. And as I said, the platform that I'm using is system.io. I'm using the free version, and then all I'm doing is just getting the share code and download it into my system.io account, and then I have access to the done for you landing page, sale page, and thank you page. All right, step 3, getting traffic. Right, if I'm not able to get in front of people with who are interested in this product, then I'm never going to make any sale. So traffic is a very important part of the whole equation. So there are paid traffic and there are free traffic. I'm going to share with you the free traffic and exactly what I'm doing and how I'm using it. So how to get my product in front of people that wants to buy. And as I said, there's free and paid traffic, and I'm using the free version. So then all I do for 2 hours is income producing activities. So let me break that down, each step for you, and all I'm doing is copying and pasting ads on these free websites. I go to these sites that allow me to paste my ads for free, and I have my link in the description, and then once they click on it, they are taken to my marketing system, which is the landing page, and then they go through the whole process. How to get started. When you get started today, you will get the step-by-step training, the marketing training, the done for you automated system, and the traffic getting strategy. There are bonuses that you get, which includes the Canva training, where they teach you how to customize your ads or images or videos if you go on that path to promoting. And then they have the Facebook faceless YouTube, which they teach you how to do faceless videos where you don't have to show your face. And then they have the 30-day marketing strategy, where each day they give you a specific instruction on what to do on day 1, day 2, and all the way up to for 30 days. And then there are 200 digital product ideas that they give you, where you can see other options that you can, other products that you can promote. And all of this is only for $900. You get, you get the whole system. You get the legacy builder, and then you have the $300 product, the $600 product, and the $100 product. So you basically have 4 income streams with the legacy builder. And just in case if that's not in your budget, you also have these, as I said, the $600, the $300, and the $100 product, and you just pick whichever one of these best suits your needs and goals. And that's basically it for promoting digital products as an affiliate marketer. And it boils down to selecting a product to promote, creating a marketing system around that product, and then getting traffic to that marketing system that's promoting that product and earning commission. You just follow these simple steps, step 1, step 2, and step 3, and you have an automated system up and running within hours. I appreciate you taking the time out to watching this video. If you find some value in it and it's something that you're interested in, you can click my link below, and if you join via my link, right, I will work with you on certain things that you might need help with, and I look forward to working with you, and you have a good rest of the day.